Hi guys, good morning. How you are doing today? Welcome back to our channel.
Hi dear.
It's not hi dear. I don't know where you see that hi dear. You say hi guys.
Hi dear guys.
Hi guys, no sense.
Hi dear.
Hi guys.
Hi dear.
So, Wisdom, will you stop that rubbish you are doing? Stop that rubbish you are doing. How you are doing today? If you are new to our channel, you are highly welcome. Oh my God, don't let me talk now. This children itself, I don't even understand it. Guys, I'm in the kitchen. I want to cook. Yes, so I want to cook 2 types of food. Yes, guys. So cook with me. Let's cook this. I want to make soup and not too much soup, just small okra. No, let me hear what and jollof rice. So guys, let's cook together. How you are doing? I hope you guys are doing great. Happy weekend. This is actually weekend, Saturday. So right now I'm boiling this meat you are seeing here. I want to boil it and remove the water. That is why it's beef, but I don't like the smell like that, so I want to boil it. Then I will remove it inside the water and throw the water away. That is why I'm boiling this one here. So you can see this here, also beef and the cow skin. So I'm going to remove this one inside and put it inside, and I will start to cook. The okra is not much, just small okra. I want to cook this okra. I'm going to add. So guys, I'm going to add the spinach to the okra, like I said. So right now, I've already put my meat here. So I will be putting all the ingredients. I'm going to blend pepper and red pepper. I like to add red bell pepper into my okra. So I will be bringing my spinach out. So, and here is the chicken I'm going to be using for the jollof. I don't even know which type of chicken is this. This is the chicken. So I don't know. I put it. My husband put it inside the fridge yesterday night because the fridge, even the fridge said they block. I even know it. He just put it on this upside, so he's supposed to put it for the downside, so it blocked. So I put it inside the hot water right now. Then I have not brushed my teeth. I didn't brush my teeth at the hospital. Sorry, I didn't even told you guys. I was just talking. I didn't even know how I start this vlog. I didn't even know what I used to start this vlog. Guys, this is morning. I'm just coming back from the hospital. You guys already know that my baby is not feeling fine before. We came back home. They discharged us, and day before yesterday in the midnight. So his body changed again, and it was purging, and he don't eat. He don't even take breast, and it was doing somehow. Like I was so afraid. Then I have to call the ambulance to come. Don't mind my lips because my lips dried and I have no brush also. So I will just try to put things in order before going to brush my teeth. And I'm also going to give the kids food also. Yes. And my husband is there with the baby. So I came back home to prepare something because we don't have anything. The only thing we have in this house now just a little stew that I make. Then I don't have soup. I was supposed to make this soup yesterday, but because I was not at home since day before yesterday night, I was in the hospital. Throughout yesterday, I was in the hospital. My husband brought food for me yesterday, and he didn't even see the baby that yesterday because he came with Wisdom because Valentine was in the school because he cannot go with the kids. So today, this morning, he came with the kids, so I did take the kids back home. So right now, my husband is in the hospital with the baby, but the baby is getting better now. You know, everywhere now is sickness. I don't know, and the doctor said that this season a lot of kids are sick, not just kids, so even adults too, but kids as worst. But the cough, why I went to the hospital for the first time, if you guys watch that video, you know he have cough and catarrh, but now he's no longer coughing. The catarrh has stopped. Why we go back to the hospital, why I called ambulance urgent, is because he started purging a lot. He started purging and he stopped eating, he stopped taking breast, and the baby was doing somehow. I was so afraid, guys. Seriously, if you guys see that night what happened, and he has fever when I check his temperature. Valentine, let me talk. Don't disturb me here. So that is when we call ambulance. So since then I was in the hospital, and I'm not even hurry like before, hurry to ask them when am I going home. No, because I want this one to be the last hospital that I went to. Like, I don't want to go back there again. Like, my baby is sick and all of that. No, I want them to check him so well. Everything will be fine. I'm not hurry. I am not bothered this time. Like, I want to go home. But now it's getting better. So it's eating now, but even if it's not as before. But they stopped the caca. Now the caca stopped since last night. It's no longer purging since last night, and I thank God. So that is it. I said, okay, let me just come and cook. I'm cooking okra soup. Even it's not much, just small one, and also jollof. At least the evening, when after cooking, I will use one hand to arrange, bathe the kids before we go there. Then I will take my baths, because I just take a shower yesterday in the hospital without no soap, without no shampoo, no sponge, just like that. At least to, guys. Today I'm going to take a proper bath, brush my teeth. So that is it. Don't mind the way my face is looking. I've not brushed, I've not washed my face. I just came back. I said if I start washing my face during this time, because so this is afternoon already. It's not also, it's just after 12. So I'm going to be putting my ingredients inside this one while I start blend. After that, I will blend tomatoes and boil it. Then, so guys, let's start cooking. I will be using one hand also to make sure the house is neat. Man and woman, they are not the same. My husband already arranged their bed and our bed, but I don't like it the way I'm going to spread it again, and sweep everywhere. We didn't sweep. Yes, that is it. Since I left this house, it's like a little bit messed up. It's not like the way I left it. So that is it. I'm so hungry. After I brush my teeth, then I think I will just eat this plantain and egg that my husband left. Also we still have white rice. So that is it, guys. And I will see you guys. Valentine, what are you doing? Wisdom, you are the one that is there. So guys, I've already added my Maggi cube and salt. Then here is my blended onions, red pepper and fresh pepper. I will put it like this. If he a good beer, leave there now. Then I put my dry fish inside. Dry fish. So I add the fish and my palm oil inside. So I leave it to boil. Okay? So guys, now I'm done cooking my soup. Here is the soup. Let me show you guys. Here is the okra soup. I add spinach to it. So beautiful. Then here is my meat, my chicken that I'm going to be using for the jollof. And here is my tomatoes. I already cooked it. So right now I'm going to be putting the who's on shift? Go that side. I'm going to be putting the things inside the meat. Yes, that is the Maggi cube, curry. I have my Gino curry. Is it Gino? Yeah, Gino curry. And I will be putting these spices to boil chicken inside, and also salt. Turn it and add water to it. Then I have dishes here. Who's Valentine shift now? They disturb me. I have dishes here that I'm going to wash also. Okay. And, I don't know why you are shouting. Where is the cover? Okay, so let me go and wash my dishes now. What are you doing? After washing my dishes, I will arrange this kitchen, then go and sweep everywhere. Go and sweep everywhere, guys. So yeah.
To the door.
Yeah?
Papa.
What is that?
Mama. What's it? No.
No, it's
What's
amazing. Why you don't want to eat anything? So guys, I am done cooking. This is 5 o'clock. So I just want to go and bathe. I already bathed the kids, but they are not yet dressed. So I'm going to. Are you feeling cold? Because I opened the window. Okay, I'm coming. I'm going to lock the window. Go and wear your clothes before I bath. Then I will dress them now. Since they said they are feeling cold, I will dress them now. Then because I opened the window, that is why I want the fresh air to enter. If I want to go, then I will now lock the window. So that is it. Let me show you guys the food that I make. And I like who is on shift? Yeah?
Got that, Papa?
Yes, we want me, Papa. This is the jollof, guys. So beautiful, so yummy. This is the jollof. So I made it with this pot because I don't have big pot, and also this one. Okay, at least we'll have food at home. Here is the jollof that I make, so delicious. And this is my soup. Bubble shift now. Here is my okra soup that I make. Here is the meat for the jollof. Okay, and that is it. I'm going to be just rush. I'm still doing laundry, guys. So here I'm doing laundry. I just wash some parts of clothes, like baby clothes and all of that. So I already spread them, something. So I'm going to be washing this one too, but I don't think I can wait. I will just put them. If I want to go, I'll just put them because I still have some. The one I also wear, I'll just still put them inside, and I will when my husband came back, because I'm going to be sleeping there with the baby. When my husband came back, then he will help me to remove the clothes and spread it. That is it. Let me go and dress them now. Alright, this jollof is so delicious. Let me shift it because I already off this gas. I don't want to. I don't know. I thought I off this gas. See me, I want to burn my rice. I didn't even off it. See me, I was like, the thing is still doing done. I didn't know that I didn't even off it. If not, I wish I didn't even check like this now. Before I came back, I want to open it. If I want to go, then I will close it. Then I will take some, the one I will eat, because I don't have time to eat. But for the kids, I don't even have time to feed them. I already give them food before, but what I will just do, I will make something like tea for them before they go. Because I cannot be sitting and start feeding them. When my husband comes, then he will feed them. Yes, that is it. Okay, and I hope you guys enjoy watching this beautiful vlog. And guys, pray for me, pray for my baby. I know it's getting better anyways, but I don't know, maybe tomorrow is on Sunday, so maybe we can, I don't know if we'll be back tomorrow. Hopefully latest on Monday, and I'm praying that we will be back by God's will. If they even discharge me tomorrow, they will say everything is fine, but I don't want to ask them and say when am I going home. So I want him to be fine, so I don't want to go back to the hospital, because this season is not just good at all. A lot of kids are so sick, very sick, very sick, very sick. All right, and I will catch you guys in another vlog, and I love you guys so much. Stay blessed. Baba, say bye bye.
Bye bye, dear.
I don't know where Valentine see this dear. Before you normally say hi guys, but now you know what he's saying. He will be laughing. Baba, what is dear?
Hi, bye bye.
Say bye bye guys.
Bye bye, guys.
Who's gonna say bye bye guys?
Bye bye, guys.
Yes, we love you all.
I love you. Good night, channel. Channel.